Searching arrays is also really valuable. You want to find out what's in an array and what isn't. I'm going to switch to an array of numbers here because it's a little bit more useful and a little bit more compact. But this list of numbers, you can see, has some duplicates in it. It's out of order, but we can find out some information about what's in there by supplying the values, not the index, but the values of certain things in that array. So note the array still has each element has the same index. It always starts at 0 and goes on up, but each index contains a integer that's a single digit integer. So I don't want anybody to get confused about that. That's kind of an important thing to remember. If I want to find out the first time a specific value occurs in an array, then I can use array.indexOf. In this case, it's numbers.indexOf. And it will return, it'll give you the index of the first time that value occurs. So the first time 3 occurs in that array is at index number 1. So it will return index number 1 to represent the first occurrence of the number 3 in that array. If I want to find out the last time that number, the number 3, occurs in that array, I can use last index of, and note the capitalization in both index of and last index of, because that's important. And you will get the number 6 back to represent the index, the last index, or the index of the last time 3 appears in that array. There are other ways you can find out things about arrays or searching for arrays. Let's find out if there's at least one match in the array. Okay, so if I have that numbers set, then I can look at the index again, and this time what it says is true or false. It does not give me the index back. What it gives me back is if it includes that number at least once. It could include it 100 times or one time. It will still just give you true. So if you want to find out if it includes, if that number occurs more than once, then you have to go into a little bit more detail. But if you just want to find out if it's there or not, then you can use includes. Okay. And there is a false reading because this number set or this numbers array does not include the number 9.